Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope my all lovely friends fine and good. May Allah bless you and keep smiling. Always be happy in your life. Thank you for spotting me and welcome my YouTube channel. I want to share crochet article design and I hope you like this video. This video I am sharing crochet bag designs. So viewers, watch the video start to end. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. You will see new and latest update. The most decent crochet bag having to all fabulous design from easy. You see the picture and make the design of crochet handbag designs. All of these designs look great, so find your favorite pattern now. The crochet lovers are always searching for cute and unique ideas. Crochet bags are always unique and personal because they are handmade. They are creative and can be customized different crochet pattern designs. The wear they use like university party functions, colleges and everyday. All of these designs look great, so find your favorite pattern now. I collect all different pictures and make the one video for you. You see the pictures and collect the different most decent and unique design for you. The as a gift for your friend, as a party, functions and birthday parties and every functions. This is a pattern for a beautifully designed this amazing collection for you. If you want more ideas and more crochet patterns, thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope this video very amazing and helpful for you. So friends, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. You will see new and latest update. Take care. Allah Hafiz.